Hello everyone, welcome once again to this channel. I am Felix Blaze. I'm going to walk you through these tutorials. In these tutorials, I'm going to show you how you can create happy birthday flyer in just 2 minutes. Okay, in just 2 minutes. Although my video might be long due to the explanation, but you can create this birthday flyer within just 2 minutes, and it is mind blowing. So without much ado, what I'll do is I'll go in for my pictures and then the background. If you want this background, you can download from the description. But for the picture, you can use your own picture. Okay, you can use your own picture. So I'll go back to desktop and then look for the background. So this is the background. So I've already designed the background for you. Okay, so I'll just drag it. You can download it from the description. So this is the background for you. Everything is prepared. So this one is we have cooked everything for you and you are coming to eat. Background design, everything is in here. All you need to do is just bring in the picture. So I would advise you to go in for pictures with shadows. That one, it will make your work more nice. So you should go in for pictures with shadows. Okay, so I've already done that. This is the boy I'm going to use. Okay, I've already removed the background, everything, so I'll just need to bring in this guy. So you can see that there are shadows in here. Okay, then I'll just need to reduce the size, something like this. Okay, but you can't place it here. Look at, you can't place it here, so need to push this one upwards like this so that it will match the white. So that's all, we are done. All you need to do is add some information to it. Okay, so we can add the message, the name and everything to it. So this is Junior Blaze. Okay, this is Junior Blaze. So happy birthday. Then I'll write the name is Junior Bliss. Okay, then you can choose your color to be black or any color you like. Okay, something like this is cool. Junior Bliss. So this is what we are creating. Okay, all right, so from here you can add some messages to it, or we can write the message here and then we can add the date of birth. Okay, so let me go in and see if I can get a template and then pick those informations from it. So that's all about this design. Okay, at this point, make sure you subscribe to this channel and then like our videos, comment, and let's hear from you. This is very easy. Just download the background and you are free to go. I'm almost done. I'm just going in to bring some other informations to it. Okay, so birthday packages, let me use this one. So if you want to know how you can design this birthday as well, check in the description, click on the top there and then watch the video on how I created this simple one. This one is for the every beginner must watch this flyer. Okay, I'm just picking some information from here. So 3rd January. Okay, so I will drag and bring it here, somewhere here. Then I can set the color to, maybe let me sample this color. Okay, yeah, 3rd January. Then now we are in April, so we change it to 23rd. Can say 1st May. Now you can see that this one is away from the main design, so can bring it somewhere here. Okay, then you can add some shape. Okay, so some shape to it. So the main work is done. We are just adding some kind of information to it. So can add something like this. Okay, then you drag this one to this side, click on the 1st May, and then go to the swatches and then set the color to white. Yeah, something like this. That is all for the day. Thank you for joining me. I am Felix Bliss. Bye bye.